These two functions look similar, but one can freeze your entire server. Let's break down the difference between fs.readFile and fs.readFileSync. The core difference is in how they handle execution. ReadFile is asynchronous and non-blocking. It starts reading the file and immediately returns control to your program. When the file is ready, it calls your callback function or resolves a promise. ReadFileSync is synchronous and blocking. It stops your entire program, waits for the file to load, and returns the data directly. No callbacks, no promises, just a simple return value. This blocking behavior is critical to understand because Node.js runs on a single thread. When you use ReadFileSync, you block the event loop. That means your server cannot handle any other requests until that file operation completes. For a small config file at startup, that's fine. But if you use it during runtime to serve user requests, every request blocks every other request. Use ReadFileSync for one-time startup tasks like loading configuration files. Use ReadFile for all runtime operations where responsiveness matters. Error handling differs too. With ReadFileSync, you wrap it in a try-catch block because errors are thrown synchronously. With ReadFile, errors come through the callback's error parameter or as a promise rejection if you're using async await. Here's how that looks in practice. Bottom line, choose ReadFile for runtime operations to keep your server responsive and ReadFileSync only for startup configuration. Practice explaining this trade-off until it's second nature. Keep learning and you'll nail your next interview. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.